The Benavides impact structure is just across the border from Terlingua, Texas and Big Bend National Park. All of the available literature says this is a volcanic structure. The assumption is based on all the melted rock forms. But in fact, there is no vent here.
And there's only two directions to look for enough heat and pressure to melt and move a few cubic miles of rock. And without a volcanic vent, we can rule out down.
All of the ring shapes you see are perfect circles incised into the earth from above. And it's in those perfect circles that we begin to see that this is an astroblem. These are the ground scars of a titanic atmospheric explosion. The motions of the blast-affected materials trend from southeast to northwest. And that motion to the blast-affected materials is a regional trend. This was only one small part of a much larger disaster. Ejecta and blast melt have been thrown more than 10 miles downrange to the north and northwest. Outside the southeast of the structure, the ejecta has piled up into megabreccias 800 feet high. Only impact events make megabreccias, and only giant impact events make mountains of them. On the northwest side of the structure, we see repeated pulses of impact melt and ejecta thrown with the wind, more than 10 miles downrange. We can clearly see the patterns of movement and flow frozen into the flash-melted stone, and we can also see very clearly that it came off of its source location, not out of it. At the exact center of the 17-mile ring, there is an 1,100-foot wide dome. This place begs many questions. I keep digging for answers, and all I find is more questions.